Greetings everyone and a warm welcome back to our YouTube channel, How to King, where we crown you with knowledge. In this video, we'll be presenting a tutorial on the Canva affiliate program. We'll delve into the methods for generating income as an affiliate marketer with Canva, offering a detailed step-by-step guide. By the end of this video, you'll possess a clear grasp of how to enroll as a Canva affiliate, acquire your personalized affiliate links, and construct your affiliate marketing campaigns. When executed effectively, you can anticipate initiating commissions swiftly by promoting Canva Pro subscriptions. But before we do that, kindly like this video and subscribe to the channel with notifications on. The very initial step to embark upon this journey is to visit the Canva website. Just enter canva.com in your browser and you will land on this page. As you can see, Canva is a free-to-use online graphic design tool that allows users to create a wide range of designs such as social media posts, presentations, posters, videos, logos, and more. It offers thousands of ready-to-use templates, photos, fonts, and other design elements that can be customized using its drag-and-drop editor. Canva is an excellent tool for both beginners and professionals. Now, to join Canva Affiliate Program. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and click on Affiliates Program. This page furnishes a straightforward guide for becoming a certified Canva Pro affiliate, and the application process is both swift and uncomplicated, open to anyone interested. It's worth noting that Canva maintains a high acceptance rate for new affiliates. After completing the registration, you can promptly commence earning commissions. Here are some key particulars regarding Canva's affiliate program. You have the potential to earn up to $36 for each new Canva Pro subscriber you refer. Canva offers a user-friendly affiliate dashboard for tracking clicks, commissions, and essential analytics. You'll also gain access to Canva's extensive library of ad templates, images, and marketing materials. Lastly, you'll become a part of a supportive community of fellow affiliates within the Canva Partner Facebook group, a topic we'll explore further in this video. To become an affiliate, simply click the Impact button. Upon doing so, you will be redirected to impact.com, the platform that manages Canva's affiliate program. Since we don't have an account, we will click on Sign Up as a partner. Now you can sign up either through your Apple, Facebook, Google, Twitter, now known as X, or LinkedIn account, or you can click on Sign Up with email. You'll be prompted to provide basic personal information such as your name, email address, and create a password for your Impact account. And then input the URL of your website or social media profiles. If you don't currently have an active website, no worries, you can easily include links to your TikTok account, YouTube channel, or other social media platforms. For your account display name, select a unique identifier. Under Partner Type, opt for Social Media Influencer and add links to your active social accounts. Once you've completed the sign up and information submission process, you'll have your Canva affiliate account. Within your account, navigate to the Profile section to input your payment details, ensuring you can receive your earnings when commissions start rolling in. Now let's proceed to generate your unique Canva affiliate link. Within your Canva affiliate dashboard, click on Create Affiliate Link to start. You can choose to link to the general Canva homepage or select a specific Canva page. For instance, you can link to a Canva Instagram post template. The landing page option allows visitors to land directly on the precise Canva template, product page, or tool you choose. To view all the affiliate links you've generated so far, simply click on View All Links. For monthly Canva Pro subscriptions, you'll earn 80% of the $13 fee, equating to approximately $11 per sign-up. If someone opts for an annual subscription, valued at $120, you'll receive a 25% commission, amounting to $36 per new referral. While these commissions may appear modest individually, they can accumulate rapidly when employing the affiliate marketing strategies we'll discuss next. Moving on to the third step, we aim to identify successful Canva campaigns to emulate. Now that you're registered as an affiliate with your unique Canva affiliate links, it's time to drive traffic and secure sales. A straightforward approach is to replicate the tactics employed by top Canva affiliates. On platforms like TikTok, search for Canva-related content to analyze the affiliate marketing strategies in action. You'll come across accounts creating professional Canva TikTok videos with substantial followers and likes. These videos often feature a bit.ly link leading to Canva Pro signups through their affiliate links. Since each subscriber can yield between $22 to $36 in commissions, these brief videos can generate substantial traffic. What's great is that you don't necessarily need to appear on camera for these tutorial-style clips. This approach demonstrates that the strategy is effective not only for prominent accounts, but also for regular TikTok users. All you need to do is create content that delivers real value to viewers, prompting them to click on your links and make subscriptions. Another growing platform, Instagram Reels, offers a similar opportunity. You can repurpose your TikTok clips to capitalize on this trend. Next, consider leveraging YouTube's search engine optimization (SEO) potential. When users search for Canva-related queries on YouTube, they'll encounter channels producing Canva tutorials, often with affiliate links in the video descriptions. Each Canva Pro sign-up contributes to commissions in addition to the revenue generated by these YouTube videos. To secure affiliate sales from search traffic, create your tutorial videos focused on Canva keywords. You can also promote specific Canva templates as an affiliate, highlighting popular templates such as chore charts and providing direct links. Lastly, let's delve into the Canva Partner Facebook group. As a newly minted Canva affiliate, make sure to join this group and connect with fellow affiliates. This community serves as an invaluable space to seek guidance from experienced Canva affiliate marketers. Pay close attention to the strategies employed by top affiliates to drive conversions and increase commissions. There's no harm in adopting their tips and tactics for your own Canva affiliate campaigns. These groups and communities can expedite your path to success, so leverage them to your advantage. Feel free to post questions regarding the optimization of your video tutorials, landing pages, and affiliate links to gain expert insights. Additionally, watch out for special promotions, assets, and tools provided by Canva within this group. The key is to make the most of the resources offered. That concludes our comprehensive, step-by-step tutorial for earning income as a Canva affiliate marketer. Thank you for tuning in, and we sincerely hope this video tutorial has provided you with valuable insights to get started. If you found it helpful or enjoyable, please show your support by giving it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any future content we create.